Mini egg cookies. These are gooey, chewy, delicious Easter cookies. You're going to need a baking tray with some parchment paper on and preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade fan. Then in your mixer, place in 120 grams of soft butter, 110 grams of light soft brown sugar and 110 grams of caster sugar. What you want to do is you want to mix that round for a few moments until it's light and fluffy. Then you're going to add in 1 egg along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just make sure that you've got no pockets of unmixed mixture around your bowl. Sieve into your bowl 190 grams of self-raising flour along with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix that all round. What you're looking for is quite a firm dough mixture. Then take an 80 grams bag of mini eggs and give them a good bashing. Yeah, just be careful that the bag doesn't split and they go everywhere. Pop those in. And also 100 grams of chocolate chips. Mix it round thoroughly so that you've got an even distribution of all those mini eggs and chocolate chips. Now take a lump of the mixture, it's around about 50 grams each, and all you're going to do is just roll it out into a ball and pop onto the baking sheet. Now as you can see, this is an oven sheet and I've only put 6 because they will spread. This mixture makes around 18 in total. So now you just want to pop it in the oven for 7 minutes. Yes, you did hear that right, 7 minutes. What happens after 7 minutes is you take them out and leave them on the tray to cook for a further 1 minute. Do not touch them because they will fall apart. Gradually you'll be able to transfer them over to a wire rack, and as if these aren't naughty enough, yeah, I'm going to add a mini egg onto the top of each one. I just press one down whilst they're still slightly warm. Stick to this method, the exact ingredients, and you'll have the most amazing Easter cookies. Now, if you want to, you can put the cookie dough in the freezer, bring them to room temperature and cook them when you want. But believe me, they are not going to be hanging around in a biscuit tin for very long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.